Welcome back to our channel!
Maayong buntag, maayong adlaw sa inyong tanan! To continue, yan, medyo distracting at nasa harap ko may nagbanggaan. So anyway, good morning again to our family, our viewers, our fam there. Kung nasaan man kayo, I hope that you're having a very nice weekend, everyone. And kami, we're just about to start our weekend.
Yes.
Sobrang saya nito. Of course, it's Sunday and we should start our Sunday with church. So, ngayon, papunta na kami sa church ngayon. Ayan.
Yeah.
Nagbanggaan. So, I don't know what's happening there. Papunta lang kami ng church. Medyo drizzling ang Calgary ngayon, maambon. Anyway, yun naman talaga yung forecast. Swerte pa nga tayo dun sa area natin sa bandang northeast. Yun yung hail alley kung tawagin, pero wala namang hail.
Yeah,
wala
thankfully.
namang ulan masyado. Pero other parts of Calgary nag-flash floods talaga. And thunderstorms talaga.
So heading to church na kami, pa. And we're here na sa aming Calgary Light Church. Medyo late na tayo daddy, pero sige.
That's okay.
Yeah.
And we're done with church. And dadaan muna kami ng Costco para sa aming food. Ang plan namin ni Mommy ay pizza daw yung sa amin. And kinasis mo naman chicken. So of course, dito tayo sa ating favorite gasolinahan again, Costco gas. Makakaranas kaya tayo ng cents dito? Mga 98 cents, ganyan, 99 cents. Parang malabo eh, 20 cents pa yung pagitan eh. But of course, we're very happy compared sa price ng gas sa BC. Kasi doon medyo taas talaga. Parang 80 cents siguro ang difference talaga comparing sa Alberta. Hindi. And there you go, fam. Filling up the gas. 119. Sobrang mura. Hey, fam. Dito na kami. I know. I step on. We're here. Ito na kami sa Costco Heritage. Bali-balitang may sale daw yung Hoka shoes dito. So tingnan natin. Pero ang purpose talaga namin is just to buy food and pizza for the kids. There you go. Yan. Grabe sa Costco na to, nagkakaubusan ng trolley. Yan. So with Mommy. As in fam, wala na. Walang trolley dito. Alright, let's go. Okay, targeted Costco shopping tayo today, fam. So punta ata agad tayo ng dun sa egg section to get some egg. Kasi yun lang talaga yung purpose nito. And I'm going to buy some food for our get together afternoon. There you go. Gusto ng kids i-try yung Kirkland signature peanut butter. There you go. Let's wait for it. And bumili si Mommy ng madaming croissant. Wow! My kid's favorite. Okay. Okay, it's available now. Mommy?
Peanut butter.
Okay, let's go. And I'm going to put my kids here. The big skeleton.
No.
The big skeleton. Okay, hindi na. Let's go na. Yoshia apple. $9.99. Grabe, dami oh. Looks good. Okay, kuha tayo ng banana. $1.99. Yan, ito. Okay. Oh, medyo. Ay, ito pala tayo dito sa maliliit. Dito tayo sa smaller bananas. Yan, madami. Okay. Very good to, very good. Yan, medyo green pa siya. $1.99. Let's go! Nakita ko, Pam. Yan. Tomatoes. Product of Canada. Ano siya? Ano na to? $4. $4.99. Dami niya eh. There you go. Kuha din tayo nito. $4.99. And as you can see, Pam, sobrang daming tao dito sa Costco na to. It's really, really busy. Are you guys having fun? Okay. Ito again, Mami. Parang 6. And we're going to wait for this Johnny Pops. Gusto ng mga kids. Who likes Johnny Pops? Wow! Johnny Pops! There you go, Kuya! Alright! Let's wait for Daval to give us.
Yes.
There you go. Okay. Alright, we're gonna have this one.
Try
Yeah. It's good, man. It's good? Leon, it's one? Johnny Pop's good.
Daddy, but I get thinking when my hand bar is closed. Try this. Okay.
Yeah, the favorite Yakult of the kids. Who loves this? Yeah, I know. Okay, let's go.
Can we go?
Alright, $17.99. Kumuha na din si Mommy nitong Nutella. $17.99. Okay, so huli natin si Kuya Alan and Sister Monette. So for our party, 1 pepperoni, 1 cheese. Okay. No. And that's it.
No, pay for order.
I'm staying now. 128. Damn it. 128. Order 227. Blockbuster ang Costco food dito. 2 pizza lang naman and 1 hot dog yung order. So, should be really fast. So medyo malapit na tayo sa bahay ni Sis M. Ito din ang neighborhood nila, Quarry, Douglas Glen. And there you go, nandito na tayo. So park lang tayo dito. Ang ganda naman ng bahay ni na bro and Sis M. Ito yung entrance. Mini quick tour lang to sa kanilang bahay. Tapos pagbukas natin dito. Si Sis M, thanks for inviting us. Ayan. Oh, ganda. High ceiling house. Oo. Tingnan namin ito na kailan kaya kami makakabili nito. Sarado na kasi ngayon, Sunday eh. So there you go. Ang aming mga misis. Hello. Welcome to our house. Yan. Hindi, so ready na eh. Oo. Ayan, so syempre ang mga kiddos naglalaro kanya-kanya. And si brother. Ayan, brother, thanks for inviting us here. Ayan. Ayan, Pam, ang aming munting salo-salo. Munti, pero marami ito nga mamaya.
Biglang dumarami ng bigla.
Okay, and syempre meron kami dyang chicken. And ito yung gandang dining area nila. So there you go, quick pan tayo dito. Ayan. Syempre may handaan. So medyo magulo kasi may mga kids na dito, naglaro na sila and all. There you go. Ganda, ganda. Yan, they're cozy. And ito ang aming handa. Spaghetti. Napakasarap na Shanghai. And ito yung binili namin kanina. We brought some pizza over here. Cheese pizza and pepperoni from Costco. And yan daw. Parang di tayo makakapasok niyan bukas, kuya, pag yan yung ininom natin. Konti lang. Yeah. And Very interesting, fam, kasi yung bahay nila. First time ko makapunta sa bahay na ang likuran ay Deerfoot. So, Deerfoot na to, fam. Yan. So, doon tawid is Deerfoot. One of the main highways. Parang EDSA yan ng Calgary. So, yun. And kita nyo naman their backyard. So, nasa Douglas community to. Parang old community siya. Kaya, ganito daw. Nung kinausap ko si Kuya Alan, makakakuha ka lang ng mga ganitong klaseng land area or plot of land pag nasa medyo old community ka. Pag new communities, wala talaga. Naka-plan talaga na medyo maliit na ang partition ng mga lots. So sa kanila is big lot pa. And nakuha nila to 2015 pa. So very good price daw at a very good interest rate as well. So galing. And syempre meron silang gazebo dito. So ayan, quick house tour lang and let's check it out mamaya pagdating ng mga bisita. At I think yung mga Bini Calgary ay nandito lahat. So see you later. And of course, double attached garage na sobrang laki. So naturally, syempre nagkakaroon tayo ng mga gamit, lalo na pag may mga kids tayo. So doon natin siya nilalagay. And sabi nga ni bro, we'll go down to the basement. Tingnan natin. So, ayan. Yung ano nila. Nice, nice. Very good. Okay, so turn on natin. Baba tayo sa kanilang basement. And fam, sobrang galing ng pagkabili daw nila dito. Kasi finished basement na. Oh wow, nice. And look at that. Finished na finished. So, may cozy chills area sila dito. And yeah, si bro din, syempre, dyan nanonood. Ang galing. Merong closet there. And grabe naman sa laki ng washroom dito. Wow. Ang ganda. Ito yung sabi ko kay Donna na pangarap ko. It's a stand shower na hindi siya combined sa bathtub. Galing. And for sure that one is just for cabinet siguro, mga pillows, towels, bed sheets. So galing. Ganda. Ganda nung ano. And I think there is one room here. Yeah. Siguro kay ate or sa mga relatives nila na pag pumupunta dito. Ayan, bakante, walang natutulog dito. Ganda. So again, this is their basement. So balik na tayo sa taas. And again, thanks Sis M for showing me your house. Napakaganda. And yeah, yun yung mga pangarap natin, di ba? Yung mga goals natin next time.
Hello, Tito.
Hello! Yan! Oh, welcome to our house!
I know, grabe naman siya.
Nakaabang siya, nakaabang eh. He's so fast!
Attendance daw po to, boys.
Some presents. What's up, Calgary?
Ladies. Ayan ang mga sisters.
Hi. Hi.
Yes. Hi.
Hindi ko pala print eh. Sweater na puti. Tapos wasak. Ganito na pala dito. Sema. Kasi i-design ko tayo ngayon.
Yan, featuring Alwin and Emma.
Ayun o, up there. Mama, actress ka ba? Sa blue ba?
Ayan. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, Sis M.
Thank you so much.
Bro Jay, thank you sa pag-imbita. Yan, alright. So fam, so ayan, kakatapos lang ng aming party in a sense. So thank you again Jay and M for inviting us and congratulations again M. Salamat sa panonood. Salamat kayo sa pagtanaw sa amoa. And hope to see you again on the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe fam for more content like this in our Buhay Canada. Medyo namimiss ko na nga palang mag-update ng mga IRCC and latest news dito sa Canada. So I might do those things in a couple of days. So thanks again and hang loose!